In this video, we will learn how to highlight text in Microsoft Word. Highlighting text in Word is a great way to emphasize important information, making it stand out in your document. Let's go through the steps to do it easily. Step 1. Highlight text using the Home tab. First, select the text you want to highlight by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Navigate to the Home tab. In the font group, click on the text highlight color icon. A drop-down menu with various colors will appear. Click the color you want and it will instantly apply to your selected text. Step 2. Highlight using the pop-up menu. Another way to highlight text is through the pop-up menu. Select the text as you did before. A quick menu will appear above your selection. Click the down arrow next to the text highlight color icon. Choose your color and it will be applied right away. Step 3. Consecutively highlight multiple sections. You can also highlight multiple sections without reselecting the highlighter. Navigate to the Home tab. In the font group, select your highlight color first. Your cursor will now act as a highlighter, allowing you to click and drag over different text areas. When you're done, simply press the Escape key to exit highlight mode. And that's it. You now know how to easily highlight text in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.